morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Say hi. Guys, good morning. You don't know it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE, in the building. Yo, what a dem. This morning I'm at Sandals Ochi. Yeah, it's about to be lit, so stay tuned to the vlog. I'll try to vlog as much as possible and thing, but I'm here to relax and have fun for the most part. So now I capture me can capture and thing. Okay, also on the channel I have a vlog from Sandals Montego Bay. You can check that out. And I also have a vlog from Rio Montego Bay. You can also check that out. They're lit vlogs. They're very nice vlogs, so check those out. I got some pastries. Not right, unless it's finished. I got some cupcakes, fruit cake, plantain, sausage. Tamika got. What did you get? Tell me what you get. Callaloo, hash brown, plantain, and yogurt. So guys, I just had breakfast. I don't know if I told you guys, but I had soursop too. I like eat soursop raw, like raw out of skin. Real Jamaican style. Tastes really nice. And stuff, somebody else will go and chillax. I'm going to show now a view of the breakfast area right now. On the beach. Eh? Make a sandals with an water. How's the sex on the beach? This is the sex on the beach drink. I won't be having any because of me. Say, guys, this is another part with some fish. I'm gonna see if any of them are gonna come through this pipe. There's a pipe right there. I'll see them over there today. It's like a water fountain thing they have with the fishes. Like so, you can't have fishes. One fish, many fish. Some of them there. Why this can't? Y'all can't eat after that fish after dinner. Anybody watch Avatar? These are the fish in Avatar. They're so big. I'm gonna. Oops. I'm gonna try to touch him. Jesus, please. Guys, I touched a fish. There's another one. They're so big. I'm in my swimsuit now. A damn girl. I'm gonna get something at one of the restaurants. I drank Smirnoff vodka this morning. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna sweat down your place. I can't manage the alcohol. I just want to drink one strawberry daiquiri. But a little bit of rum. And to tell you the truth, I definitely cannot manage it. Definitely cannot manage it. So I'll get something to eat now. I'll check back in with you guys. Christmas Day. Hype. I start recording again. My phone early on today, it wasn't giving me the option to record, so most of the footage and the stuff that I did today I didn't get to record. With that said, there's a donation sign somewhere on my channel. You can donate to my channel. I really want to get a camera, a Canon G7X, so we can work towards that, because I really missed out a lot today and I really wanted to capture everything for you guys, but it was definitely beyond my control. So I really need to invest in a camera right now, and with your guys' help we know so we are gonna get it done. So I'm gonna give you a room tour of the room. I'm at Sandals Ochi right now. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. So this is the kitchen. You have kitchen with a stock fridge. And if them drink out, it's in them in the fridge. We have juice, we had some beers and stuff. We had those today. So them have alcohol, so we have a living area. And we also have a private pool. You also get a private pool with your room. This is the pool and the back porch. Then you have a television set here. Then you step into the room. You have a king size bed. You have your TV, your glass, you don't know. And then now this is another entrance to the back porch. Then you have lighting and stuff. You have your robe area, your, what do you call this again? Wardrobe area. Then you have the bathroom. Have a nice glass. And you have a bathroom here. I must say, this room though, compared to like Melia Braco, and other hotels that I've gone to, it's more of a home setting. I must say, this room though, compared to other hotels that I've been to, it's ultra all inclusive, you know, but like Rio and Hilton and stuff like that, I believe that it's different. Sandals is different. This Sandals is different. But I really like it though. It's ultra luxury, ultra comfort. If you want to relax your people them, you don't know. You have a private pool in the night, you have a little music and things. You can come out here, so come go and have some fun and stuff. Thumbnail. I joke, but I don't know if it's a thumbnail. So I had a really good time at the beach. My swimsuit was lit, body still good. I'm gonna work out from when. I'll start workout back in December, yeah. Sitting. I consider if I go back down to the restaurant for dinner, or if I just build back, because I'm at the room by myself right now. I consider what I'm going to do and thing. But if I tell you the truth, for most I vlog the food that I eat, I never get to vlog, because as I say, the camera running in work and I didn't know why and thing. Somebody may wait for call link me up before I leave. See for them there. Oh, that's a butler. Yeah, somebody may wait for call link before I leave. And if I am. And thing. But thank you guys for the footage that I did get. Thank you for watching my channel. And I hope next time I can get more footage. I'm very disappointed that I didn't capture everything and stuff like that. But I don't know, some you guys are always on my mind. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. And I'm feeling really sick. I'm not feeling good, so hopefully we can feel better soon. And yeah, later.